Welcome to this in-depth review of Instapage, the landing page builder designed to maximize conversions through post-click optimization. I've spent a solid amount of time testing its features, building landing pages, integrating it with various tools, and measuring results. So in this video, I'm sharing my honest impressions based on real use. As soon as you land on Instapage's dashboard, you'll notice a sleek, modern interface. It's user-friendly and doesn't overwhelm you with too many options up front. Creating a new landing page is straightforward. You can start from scratch or choose from a range of professional-looking templates that are tailored to different use cases, like lead generation, product promotion, or webinar registration. The drag-and-drop editor is powerful, but not perfect. It gives you full control over layout and spacing, and lets you add elements like forms, countdown timers, images, and more. However, there were moments when responsiveness was inconsistent, especially when resizing elements for mobile view. Instapage claims to be mobile optimized, but I had to make several manual tweaks to ensure my pages look good on phones. Another strength of Instapage is its A/B testing functionality. You can create multiple variants of the same page and track performance metrics, such as bounce rate, conversion rate, and click-through rate. It's incredibly useful for optimizing campaigns, though it requires a higher-tier pricing plan, which not all users may find justifiable. Instapage integrates smoothly with marketing tools like Google Ads, Facebook Ads, MailChimp, HubSpot, and Salesforce. Setting up these integrations took just a few clicks, and syncing lead data worked well in my tests. The analytics dashboard is decent, though I would have liked more granular control over event tracking and attribution. Page load speed was impressive. Even with large images and dynamic content, the page is loaded within 2 seconds in most cases, which is crucial for keeping visitors engaged. Their servers seem well optimized for global delivery, which is a big plus if you're running international campaigns. Many useful links you can find in the description. One standout feature is the heat map analysis. It gives you a visual report of where users are clicking, scrolling, or dropping off. This helped me refine call-to-action placements and improve user flow. Still, this feature is only available on the higher pricing tiers, and for smaller businesses or freelancers, the cost can quickly become a limiting factor. The platform's customer support is responsive. I reached out via chat and received help within minutes. Their knowledge base is also quite extensive, offering detailed guides and best practices. Now for the downside, pricing. Instapage isn't cheap. While the platform is packed with advanced features, the cost might be overkill for small projects or individuals just starting out. There's no free plan, and the trial only lasts for 14 days, which may not be enough time for a full evaluation depending on your campaign cycle. Overall, Instapage is a robust landing page platform that caters best to marketers and businesses focused on optimizing their post-click experience at scale. If you're running paid ads and want to get the most from every visitor, it's worth considering, but only if your budget allows for it. If this review helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews and digital marketing insights.